Chef here. Follow along with this recipe. I'm going to teach you how to make some gluten-free hamburger buns and wraps that are amazing. Some garden oregano. Wow. That's going to be good. Hello, Chef here with a real quick simple recipe for you with 3 ingredients. This is gluten-free, high-protein avocado buns. 1 avocado, 1 egg, 1 cup of cheese. Follow along. Crack the egg into a bowl. Give it a little whip. Next, I'm adding the cheese. If your cheese is too coarse, run it through the food processor. Cheese goes in all at once. Give it a little stir. Next, the avocado. I like to use a large knife and cut mine right around the middle like this. Give it a twist. Perfect. This should be a medium ripe avocado. If it's overripe, it will still work. If it's underripe, you're going to have a really hard time. Now, good idea to quarter this, just because the pieces come out easier like this. Perfect. This goes right into the mixture. Avocados are all in, and then we smash it up. Oh, the batter, looking good. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper. However, it is completely optional. Hot pan, a few drops of olive oil, the batter. I'm using a scoop, completely optional. And you let it cook. It's starting to brown around the perimeter after 1 minute. Let it cook. Repeating the process here. This recipe should yield you approximately 4 of these pieces. After the first few pieces, they do seem to cook more evenly and release from the pan a little bit better as well. That one's looking really nice right there. The finished gluten-free avocado egg cheese buns. Looking good. These could be used for a variety of things now. You could build a vegetarian sandwich. You could go with tuna fish, hamburger buns, a variety of different sandwich options. Grilled vegetables. Sliced meats. Yeah. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Share this recipe with your friends. Subscribe right here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thin onion slice. Thin onion slice. Japanese knife. The gluten-free avocado egg cheese bun. Building a hamburger out of this. Drop a comment, tell us what you think, how this looks. I'm going to tell you how it tastes. I want to show you my burger here. It's got some smoked provolone on there. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, it's going to be good. Try this recipe out. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Wow, that's going to be good. You stuck around. Bonus footage for you. Here we go. I'm serving this with a little bit of herbed potato garlic salad with some garden oregano. Wow. That's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.